Hello everyone! Thank you for joining me. My name is Miss Julie and I work for the Schenectady County Public Library. Today we are going to have a virtual story time that's about food, about spending time in the kitchen and baking up a storm. So let's get started with my hello song. I like to use sign language, so can everybody put their hand by their head and wave out? That's the sign for hello. And you also need two friends. 1, 2. Your friends are going to give each other a hug. We're going to sing the song 2 times, okay? It goes like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Let's get started. The first book we're going to read is about one of my favorite foods. Can you guess what it is? Pizza. I make pizza at my house every single Friday, and it's a really fun activity to do with my child because we get to talk about math. We talk about the pizza being cut in half, how much sauce we want on it, how much cheese we want on it. We get to use measuring cups and have a lot of fun. So the first book I brought for you is Pizza at Sally's. It's by Monica Wellington, and it is a Dutton Children Books publication. Sally, the pizza maker, grows tomatoes in her community garden in the city. These tomatoes are for pizza. Wheat grown on farms far away is milled into flour and delivered to Sally's Pizzeria. This flour is for pizza. Milk is made into cheese and sold in the shop next door. This cheese is for pizza. Sally opens her pizzeria in the morning. Hungry customers will be arriving soon. Orders will be coming in over the phone. Now it's time to make pizza. Cut, chop, stir, and simmer. There are good cooking smells in the air. Sally makes her tomato sauce. Measure and mix. With water and yeast, Sally starts the dough for her famous pizza crust. Push, pull, punch, and pound. She kneads her stretchy dough and leaves it to rise. The dough is just right. Sally rolls it and folds it and rolls it again. Whoosh! She twirls it up into the air. That looks like fun, huh? Now everything is ready to put together. First comes the pizza dough, then the tomato sauce. Then freshly grated cheese is sprinkled on top. Perfect. That looks good. Sally slides her pizza into the hot oven. The pizzeria smells delicious as the pizza bakes. Out it comes, bubbly and hot. Quick, slice it up, the pizza, and it's ready to eat. Pop the pizza into a box. Some customers take theirs home to eat, and some have it delivered. But eating pizza right here at Sally's Pizzeria is best of all. And then the back of the book has a recipe for dough and the toppings that you see on Sally's Pizza. Now that we read about Sally's Pizzeria, let's have our own pizza. Doesn't that sound delicious? So I might have one already right here. Look at that pizza. It looks so good. How many pieces are on this pizza? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 pieces of pizza. That's enough pizza for how many people do you think? Well, 1 Miss Julie, but maybe 4 people. But the rhyme goes like this. 1 whole pizza pie set by the door. Cut it into slices. I count 4. 4 pizza slices, all for me. I ate 1 slice, and now there are, how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 pizza slices. What will I do? I ate another slice, and now there are, how many? 1, 2. 2 pizza slices. Oh, what fun! I ate another slice, and now there is, how many? 1. 1 pizza slice. I can't wait. I ate that piece. Now I have an empty plate. I love pizza, but I also really love to bake. And that's a great opportunity at home for you to get out those measuring cups and continue working on that math concept with your child. My favorite person to bake with when I was growing up was my grandma. So I brought this book with me. It's called Baking Day at Grandma's. It's written by Annika Denise and illustrated by Christopher Denise. It's a Penguin Books publication. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's! Bundle up, it's time to go out across the drifts of snow. Past the pond, so smooth and clear, little cottage drawing near. Knock, knock, knock on Grandma's door. Hear her pat across the floor. Plant a kiss on Grandma's nose. Cozy fire, warming toes. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Pass out aprons. 1, 2, 3. Grandma reads the recipe. Flour, sugar, butter, eggs. Stand on chairs with tippy legs. Wooden spoon and measuring cup. Mix the batter, stir it up. Fold it gently in the pan. Lick the spoon, because we can. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Hop down from the tippy chair, smell the sweetness in the air. 1 hot cocoa at each place. Frosty window, smiley face. Old-time music, soft and sweet, skippy notes and tapping feet. Learning songs that Grandma sings when the kitchen timer rings. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Flip the pan and out it pours, cut in squares, and frost the tops. Add some sprinkles, wrap each one, tie a ribbon. It's nearly done. Tasty treats in pretty bags, each one marked with little tags. Coats and boots and hats and gloves, the hugs we know that Grandma loves. It's baking day, it's baking day, it's baking day at Grandma's. Walking home under the moon, back to visit Grandma soon. And the back of this one has a recipe too for Grandma Rosie's chocolate cake. So we love to make pizza at home, and we also love to bake, make things like cookies and pies, and work on our math concepts. But we also love to be silly and sing and dance all around our house. And singing is one of our 5 important early literacy skills. So I thought we could sing a silly song today. It's called Do You Like Broccoli Ice Cream by Super Simple Songs. So you should sing along with me if you know the words, and if you don't, just feel free to get up and move and dance a little, get those legs moving around, your arms moving around. Be silly, be goofy, and have fun.
Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like broccoli ice cream? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like donut juice? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like popcorn? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like popcorn pizza? No, I don't. Yucky. Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like banana soup? No, I don't. Yuck!
Thank you for joining me for virtual story time today. I had fun talking about pizza and baking at Grandma's house. I hope that you join us again very soon. If you want to see more of our programs, please join our Facebook group. It's SCPL Youth and Families. There you'll find information on our STEAM programs, our LEGO challenges, teen programs, and other special events. But for now, we're going to sing our goodbye song. So we have our sign for friends. 2, 1, 2. We give each other a hug. And we have our sign for goodbye. So we're going to sing it twice together. Ready? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. Bye, everyone.